Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there's quite possibility that you get confused friends, okay? And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments friends, okay? And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So I'll spell it for you friends, okay? It's ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJE 1906. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you'll get the notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called how suggestion killed a man. This topic I've covered, friends. Okay. So friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called the power of an assumed major premise. This topic I'm going to cover, friends. Okay. So friends, this is 26 number video. So let us see what the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. Your mind works like a syllogism. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling that our mind work as a syllogism. This means that whatever major premise your conscious mind assume to be true determines the conclusion your subconscious mind comes to in regards to any particular question or problem in your mind. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling that whatever the major premise of a conscious mind assume, so our subconscious mind also what it does that it brings the reality in the same thing in our subconscious mind, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. If your premise is true, the conclusion must be true, as in the following example. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling if our premise is true, then our conclusion will also be true, as in the following example, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Every virtue is laudable. Kindness is a virtue. Therefore, kindness is laudable. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling every virtue is laudable. Kindness is a virtue and therefore kindness is laudable, friends. Okay. So another example are as follows. Is as follows. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling that he is giving us another example in regards to the same topic so that we can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. All formed things change the pass away. Change and pass away. So here the author Joseph Murphy telling all formed things change and also pass away. The pyramids of Egypt are formed things. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling that the pyramids of Egypt are the formed things. Therefore someday the pyramid will pass away. Yeah, because therefore someday the pyramid will pass away because it's a form thing, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. The first statement is referred to as the major premise. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling the first statement is referred to as the major premise. And the right conclusion must necessarily follow the right premise. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling that right conclusion must follow the right premise, friends. Okay. A college professor who attended some of my science of mind lecture in May 1962 at Halltown, New York, said to me. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling a college professor who attended the author Joseph Murphy's lecture in May 1962 in Town Hall in New York said something to him. Everything in my life is topsy turvy, and I have lost health, wealth, and friends. Everything I touch turn out wrong. So here that person said that everything in my life is a turvy and topsy, and he have lost health, wealth, and also friends. Everything he touches becomes wrong, friends. Okay. So this the professor said to author Joseph Murphy. I explained to him that he should establish a major premise in his thinking. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling that I try to make the professor understood that hey professor, you should engage a major premise in your thinking. And the infinite intelligence of his subconscious mind was guiding, directing, and prospering him spiritually, mentally, and materially. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling the infinite intelligence of his subconscious mind was always directing him, guiding him, and spiritually, mentally, and even materially for the growth and development, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. This then his subconscious mind would automatically direct him wisely in his investment. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling then automatically his subconscious mind directed him towards wisely towards his investment decision, and also heal his body and restore his mind. Restore his mind to peace and tranquility. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling afterwards his mind and decision invested in a good thing, and his body and mind got restored in a proper thing, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. This professor formulated an overall picture of the way he wanted his life to be. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling this professor formulated a new picture overall, the picture of the image he wanted his life to be. And this was his major premise. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling this is the major premise of the author. Infinite intelligence leads and guides me in all my ways. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling that infinite intelligence leads and guides him in all the ways. Perfect health is mine. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling perfect health is mine. His and the law of harmony operates in my mind and body. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling the law of harmony always operates in his mind and body. Beauty, love, peace, and abundance are mine. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling beauty, love, peace, and abundance are mine. The principle of right action and divine order governs my entire life. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling the principle of the right divine action and the correct order governs his life, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. I know my major premise is based on the eternal truth of life. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling that he knows that his major premise is based on the eternal truth of the life. And I know and I know, feel and believe that my subconscious mind responds according to the nature of my conscious mind thinking. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling that I know, feel, and believe that my nature of my subconscious mind reacts according to the thinking of my conscious mind. So means whatever my conscious mind will think, in the same way my subconscious mind will react, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. He wrote me as follows. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling the professor wrote him as follows. I repeated the above statement slowly, quietly, and lovingly several times a day, knowing that they were sinking deep down into my subconscious mind, and the result must follow. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling that professor wrote to Joseph Murphy that whatever statement you said, I repeated several times a day. By thinking it, it follows my subconscious mind, and as a result, it follows. Let's us see what are the result. I am deeply grateful for the interview you gave me. So here the author Joseph Murphy said that I am very much grateful that deeply the interview you have gave to me, and I would like to add that all department of my life are changing for the better. It works. So here author Joseph Murphy said that he would want to like that all the department of the life are changing for the better. It works, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. So friends, this topic came to an end. In our today's topic, I have covered the concept called the power of an assumed major premise. The power of a assumed major premise. This topic I have covered, friends. Okay, so friends, in our next video, I am going to cover the topic called the subconscious does not argue controversially. This topic I am going to cover, friends. Okay, so friends, this came to the end, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video, friends. Okay.